action!
Here we go, boys and girls.
Are you going down, Scotty?
I'm going down.
Loving an elevator? Watch your hand.
Look, it's coming directly to me. I don't even have to move.
Loving an elevator.
Look at this.
Oh, you can put it right in your mouth. I'm pretty sure there's videos of penises doing that with you. But anyway, I don't want to know. What you snack on the weekends is not my business. Yes, we're inappropriate. And no, we don't care if anybody's offended. Because it's fun. It's fine.
And guess what?
What?
I don't have to be politically correct.
You don't have to do anything.
That's right.
You're very trusting with your fingers. You know the saying, don't put your hand anywhere you wouldn't put your dick? Would you put your pee-pee in there?
If it meant going in the hole.
Touche. Touche. I'm fucking hungry. Every time to order lunch after this.
I guarantee you this is not OSHA approved.
Who? Never heard of her. Oh, you should have seen when I put the transmission in Tom's Grand Prix. You want to talk about things that aren't OSHA approved? Woo. Are you putting your shaft in the hole? Is it gonna moan when it goes in? Oh yeah.
I'm hoping.
Ah!
There we go.
Oh, papito. You put a nut on that so it doesn't come out. And boys and girls, it's easy as that. Scotty's also easy as that. I mean, what?
Only on days that end in Y.
And that's that. Pretty much ding fries are done, eh?
And
Yeah. I swear, you keep moving, it makes it hard to shoot. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yes! Man, look at that, Scotty.
I think I have the wrong one.
Yeah, but you got it snugged up.
But it's there. All I gotta do is just tighten everything up.
There it is.
And we'll put the
Bottom of the shotgun.
bottom of the chalk on. Chuck on. Chuck on.
Alright. And then
along came. Oops, sorry.
And then you're gonna do the steering. You can do the steering, the sway bar, and most of this will be pretty much there.
Yeah.
We're waiting on the little rebuild kit for the center link. I'm gonna go right now and yell at Larry's T-Bird.
Going up.
Going up. Usually you're going down.
Well, you know, hey. I heard what you did for a Klondike bar. Call me.
Wait a minute. That was supposed to be top secret.
Well, you know, hey.
Klondike bars aren't even that good.
I love Klondike bars. One of my absolute favorites. I don't eat a whole lot of ice cream, which I don't. But it is one of my favorites if I'm going to have it.
And there it is, boys and girls. Ta-da!
Just got to tighten everything up and put the cotter pins in.
I'll grease it.
Clean everything up for the backing plate and the brakes.